So in Redmi phone, I have recorded videos and its voice is not recorded. You can see there are some videos. This is a video which I have recorded. There is no voice in this video. So this is a problem I am facing, and I am recording screen in my phone, and voice is not recorded. So what I'll do, I'll go to screen recorder only. There's option of settings in screen recording. I will just tap on this. So let's me open settings of my screen recorder. So this is the settings of my screen recorder. So I will simply go to this sound source, just tap on this. So you can see mic is showing. I could not change the permission as of now because I am recording this screen. So you need to select mic from here. System sound will be selected automatically. So you need to tap on this sound source, and then you need to click on mic, mic, and after that you will be able to get voice for your recording in your Android phone, mainly for Redmi 10, and this is Redmi Note my phone. So I hope friends now it will work for you. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.